What's the meaning of cranky? Cranky. Cranky.
Cranky. Cranky. The word cranky is an adjective that describes someone who is easily annoyed or irritated. This could manifest in various ways, such as being snappy when spoken to or getting agitated over minor inconveniences. Being cranky often indicates a bad mood, and can lead to tension in social situations. It may not necessarily imply that someone is outright angry or aggressive, but rather that they are in a sour or disagreeable state of mind. Overall, being cranky is not a pleasant feeling for either the person experiencing it or those around them.